Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Lake Formation with S3 bucket encryption. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lake Formation service. Select the Data Lake Settings option from the left navigation pane. Click on the Data Locations tab to configure your S3 bucket. Choose Register S3 location to initiate adding a new S3 bucket. In the dialog box, enter the S3 bucket's URI that you want to encrypt. Specify the IAM role Lake Formation should assume to access the S3 bucket. Click on Next to proceed to the permissions settings. Grant Lake Formation the necessary permissions on that S3 bucket. Ensure that the Allow AWS Lake Formation to manage the S3 location checkbox is checked. Review the details you have entered and click on Register to finalize the configuration. Once registered, go to the S3 service in the AWS Management Console. Locate the S3 bucket you just configured with Lake Formation. Click on the Properties tab of the selected S3 bucket. Scroll down to find the Default Encryption section. Click on Edit to enable encryption for the bucket. Select the encryption type either SSE-S3 or SSE-KMS based on your requirements. If using SSE-KMS, choose or create a KMS key for the encryption. After making your selection, click Save Changes to apply the encryption settings. Return to the AWS Lake Formation console. Navigate back to the Data Locations section. Verify that the S3 bucket is now showing as managed by AWS Lake Formation. Test access to the data by creating a simple query using AWS Glue or Amazon Athena. Ensure your queries return results, confirming that AWS Lake Formation and monitor logs and access control through the AWS CloudTrail service for further insights. Review your permission settings periodically to maintain security compliance. Congratulations, you have successfully configured AWS Lake Formation with S3 bucket encryption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.